Daifuku Intralogistics India is on a mission to automate Indian manufacturing, be it large, medium, small, doesn't matter. The efficiency and productivity can improve by automation. And we are having with us Paras Mistry, who was instrumental in making many people's lives easier. See, it was before 10, 12 years, Daifuku came into the market when automation was not that thought about. People were always talking about ROI. Okay, it is the human labor is very cheap, why we should go for automation. The believe what Daifuku had in India, its entrepreneurs made some of the people become the early adopters. And I believe you have certain experiences during this pandemic, how these people have got benefited. People who believe, along with Daifuku, automation can be a great help for them.
One of the biggest experiences what we can share is that earlier we used to approach customers, automation, the benefits of automation, especially the entrepreneurs or proprietorship companies, and they were feeling very hard to understand the benefits of the automation. But the pandemic actually changed the whole mindset. And specifically, if I mention about Balaji Wafers, which is one of the good examples, which was also showcased in the discovery, they were thinking about the automation. We always had this interaction with them before pandemic. We had the installation done. Fortunately, it was completed. Just handed over to the customer and the pandemic hit. In that duration, they actually got to know the advantage of the automation because of the manpower. Of course, it's more of the contract basis. The manpower is working in the warehouse for these customers, and handling those scale of people is very difficult. So automation came into the picture. They are, of course, enjoying the benefits of it, of the automation. And Daifuku being one of the fast movers company, I would say, where we approach customers, we try and make them understand the benefits. We try and give them the basic, the needed solution, not adding too much to it. Of course, the customers are happy, and we have one of the happy customers as Balaji.
Whereas you work in the engineering department,
right.
And one thing Daifuku do is not to compromise on quality. Now you are also making in India. You are trying to localize your lot of components here. So what are the major challenges you are facing?
Basically, Daifuku has already set a standard. It's a Japanese technology. I wouldn't say copying it, but I would say to mimic that or to have that kind of quality or level of excellence in India is a challenge for everybody, which we are trying to improve every day, every step what we are doing in it. This is one of the biggest challenge, but I am pretty sure the level of efforts what the team is making at the factory. We have the manufacturing facility in Hyderabad, and we are recently going to start manufacture the cranes itself, of course with the help of experts from Japan, which are already stationed in our factory, and we are trying to satisfy those customers, and we have already started the supply, so I guess they are also happy.
That's what I'm telling you, the kind of investment what Daifuku is doing in India, not just by money, but bringing those experts from Japan to transfer the knowledge and build a strong ecosystem in India. I think no other multinational is thinking about that.
True, and I believe that the beauty of how Japanese people are working is they have a set of a standard goal, a specific goal, and the process is already set. So it's basically, if you follow that process, you are towards the target. It's exactly what we are doing right now.
And I also want to tell you, being Daifuku is a Japanese company, but if you see the kind of customers what Daifuku is having, like Balaji you spoke about, you talk about Everest, you talk about Jaguar, I believe there is one customer from UP. So these are all people who are truly Indian. It is not like we are talking about multinationals.
Absolutely.
We're talking about the Indian entrepreneurs who want to really go global or produce quality.
So that's the perfect example which I would like to put in. These companies which you just mentioned are already our customers. The earlier project what we did with them was the whole supply was from Japan. The second projects or the phase 2 projects, I would say, are all supplied from India, the same quality.
Because they know, and second thing, that's also, I believe, great testimony. All these guys not only have put one system, they are going for
back.
it.
Yes.
It's all high capex. Where with the Indian investment, I believe you are trying to reduce it and making it more affordable the not just larger companies but medium and small.
That is one of the goals that we would like to propose to customer, the affordable price with the Japanese quality. That is the goal.
Friends, automation is not costly. Actually, automation is something where you save money, and a Japanese company which is having more than 100 years of experience is ready to come to India and support Make in India. Make the best use of it. I wish Paras all the best.
Thank you so much. It's nice talking to you.